All right, so this is going to be the last video on the software interface for the Garmin. So this one's going to be the Garmin Express software that is going to be on your computer desktop. You do need your charging cable in order for this to work, so you plug that in to your watch on the back side. You take this and you got to plug it in to your computer. To get the software, what you're going to have to do is here. You have to go to Garmin.com and go over this website here where it says software and Express, and then download it and then let it install on your Mac or on your computer. And then what you end up with is going to be an app that looks like Garmin Express over here. Let me share my desktop with you for you to see it. Yeah, you'll see it right here. This is what the one looks like. So when you get into that, then you end up with the Garmin Express right through here. And then you select your device. If you have multiple devices, it's no problem. You can just choose the one you're looking for. And this is actually where you're going to do the updates to your watch with the software. So you definitely want to have this app on your computer at home or at work so you can do your updates. Mine just now sunk. So you just go in there and you'll hit sync. It's going to do the queue. This shouldn't take too much time since it just did a sync just a few moments ago. So as we're letting that finish, basically we look over here, we have the apps, the tools, and the Garmin Connect. We've already been over some of the Garmin Connect. We're going to click that. And what that does, that just opens up Garmin Connect, which we just had. We did the other video on your online portal. We hit the apps. We actually go into the, within this particular software, it's going to go connect in on the app. So if you want to add heart rate on your watch, your stress, you want to take those off and remove them. It's just a different way of doing it. You can do it on your phone itself or on the computer with the Garmin Connect. So these are just applications, and you can rearrange them here a little bit easier. And we go back over this one. There's your tools and your content. So this is just kind of where you can do some edits that you can't do on some of the other programs with your nickname, the Phoenix 5 emails that are registered to it. If you want to edit your profile, you can do it here. We can go over here to utilities. And here's a good place if you want to go over to your owner's manual, products, frequently asked questions, or if you want to remove your device from your Express account, if you sell it or give it away, then that's where you would disassociate it with your account. This is if you actually have, if you purchase some of the apps, sometimes you want to purchase different watch faces. So this might be the area where you do that. And here's your privacy, Garmin device uploads. So it's just kind of where you manage your personal data right on this app. So it gives you a few options that you can do on the app itself. In particular, the whole value of this whole thing is going to be doing your updates, and this is where we're actually going to update your watch itself.